What's happening, everybody? It's another short from Working with Bobby. And as you can see, it done happened already. One of my viewers already told me in my comments when I put this thing in, he's like, hey, bro, hope you got some extra ignition control modules that you can keep in your glove box. Well, guess what? It done gone already. After pulling them wires off, using a flat blade and Phillips head screwdriver to get the rotor button and the cap and all that off, guess what? Got to replace it. So this came with the thermal compound, which I don't have, so I'm glad it came with that. I'm gonna put some dielectric grease under the terminals for the wires, and this, I don't know who made it or whatever, but it's burnt. So got to go. Got to get Bell back up and running. See y'all on the next video.